Hello guys, I'm pretty sure that many of you remember this analysis I did in the morning when I do this channel and I told you guys that I'm not gonna take any trade until I got a break of channel. Now, what do we have? We now have a break of channel now on Bitcoin right now. That's broken the channel and seems as if it's heading down. But if you guys remember the video I did before the last video I did, I told you guys that there's also some companies I'm looking at, which example one of them is DSY. The DSY I told you guys that it has to give me a reversal. Now look at it now. We expect the DSY to come into this zone. If it's going to maintain a downward trend, it should shoot down towards this direction. It's going to maintain an upward trend, then it start going up. Now, what do you guys notice? It came here, broke out of that resistance zone, had a retracement, then now say going back up again. So this particular resistance did not hold, as you guys can see. Now I also told you guys this number one of my number one rules. Then number two is I also told you guys that Bitcoin and gold have to be moving in different direction. I don't want to them to move in direction, but when we told them tend to move in the same direction, that most times the trade doesn't tend not to hold. So and let's look at gold right now. As you can see, from what we are seeing, gold and Bitcoin are making the same movement. Understand? Remember, I told you guys I'm looking at to go long on gold when it comes to the support. If it gives me an entry, I think I see came down here, no entry, retraced up and still shooting down. In other words, gold and Bitcoin is directly following DSY, the dollar index. Like I told them I'm following it exactly. And believe me, I don't take such trade because of most times it doesn't really hold. Understand? So they should be able to move in opposite direction. And they should be able to move in opposite direction. So there are many conferences we look at before you to be able to take a trade. And most of these companies they end up making you to take sometimes it might take not like 5 trades in a month, 10 trades in a month, might even take two. Like this one I've already taken 2 trades and I'm not taking and the month is about to go. But the only good thing is that once you take one is to one, like the one will definitely play out. Not definitely not is about 100% sure, but the chance of that one playing out is very, very high, that kind of thing. So you just want to quality over quantity, not quantity, but quality over quantity. So because of this whole the this did not meet up all the whole requirements. Therefore, I'm not taking short on Bitcoin. Understand? I remember when I told you guys that we had a support somewhere. We had a support somewhere here, and it would be best for me to if I'm taking short on Bitcoin, it would be better for me to wait for it to break this 75 75 this zone. Understand? So putting all these things into consideration, obviously, I'm not gonna take the trade. It may actually come down here. It might continue to start going up. So right now, I don't know what's gonna happen. All I do have to do just sit back, wait till whenever I get what I want, I will not take a trade. So that's just it, guys.